Alright, last cold start without a downpipe. By the title, I already put it on. So I'm gonna be installing my Corksport downpipe. I'm pretty sure I told you guys that in like a few videos back, but there it is. CATLESS downpipe Corksport. All right, so we got the O2 sensor out. It's pretty easy, just kind of easy. Just unclip that. Where it is.
If you're ever doing like an install on your car at home, whether it's a downpipe, exhaust, if you have a Subaru, headers, even headers on a normal, like something that's not a Subaru, there's a O2 sensor socket. You can go rent it at normally any local parts store, whether it's Advanced Auto Parts, O'Reilly's, AutoZone, and it's basically just got this slit right here that goes over the cable in the O2 sensor, and this goes right onto the O2 sensor, and it can either be another socket on top of socket for a little bit of a bigger drive, or you can put a 3/8 drive right inside it, and so that'll save your ass. Or you can make one at home if you really want to. It's a 7/8 inch socket, and you can just take an angle grinder and cut right down the middle. I'd recommend this because this is made for this, but it's up to you.
This one 10mm is gonna be hard to get out. You just need to apply lots of strength, and just, yeah. So next is actually taking out the downpipe. So it'll be.
Are we already on the downpipe?
Yeah.
God damn.
14mm. Yeah, so that's the stock downpipe, and there it is. All right, so we got the 14s out, and now we're just working underneath the car. Got the cross member out, and we're gonna take out the test pipe or the race pipe. And then we're gonna go ahead and get to the downpipe and install it. All right, guys, we got the downpipe almost out. So we had to take out this bracket. It was a pain to get to, but we finally got it out. Sorry for not showing much, but I could see why most people don't really show everything. But it's slowly coming out. Slowly. I'll show you guys how it looks once it comes out, but shit's hella restricted. Alright, finally got the downpipe out. Took some wiggling and all that, but it's finally out. I don't need this no more. And if I do for emissions or anything, I'll probably just get a CATLESS downpipe eventually. No, not now, but or soon. But yeah, so here's the difference. Wait, yeah, could you hold it? My hands are filled with PV blaster. Oh my god. Look at that.
This could be a lot louder.
That's gonna be loud. Start it up right now? No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
You want it?
No. We can start it on once that's on.
Yeah.
Alright, but yeah, we're gonna go ahead and install it. I'm not gonna show you guys that process because
It's gonna take a while.
Yeah. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And then I'll be right back once it's installed, and we're gonna start it up with just the downpipe in, and then we'll put the test pipe and all that. But here's the test pipe. It's all golden now. It's nice now.
Yeah, that's clean, dude.
Just show it everywhere now. Let me see. I'll show it above. Dang. And then we just gotta tighten everything, put the O2 sensors, and yeah.
Put test pipe back on. And
test pipe.
Intercooler. Cover.
There it is. There it is. Downpipe, CATLESS test pipe. Fuck. Ah. I like how we could hear ourselves.
Yeah, it's trippy.
Man, that's so nice gold. Look at that. This will be gold eventually. Then you just want to reinstall everything.
Alright. I need this guy.
gold.
Was it gold?
These look so
No,
clean.
it was 11/16. Where the fuck did it go?
Alright, we're gonna go ahead and install the tune now. Let's see. Fix it out of there. Tune. Change ECU. I renamed it too, so. Oh fuck, no. It didn't change. I don't know which one it is. Fuck. Oh, that's right here. Alright. I know. Hella loud.
Put it like 4.
Well, I like doing it to show off.
Oh, for the.
Yeah, so.
Do like 65. Yeah.
Alright, first cold start with the new downpipe. Oh my god. Honestly, it sounds like it's a little louder. Tiny bit. Yo, that's not even healthy no more. See if I can catch a flame for you guys. Alright guys, so I didn't really end it, so like I always do this, but that's it for today's video. I just want to show you guys like somewhat the install, but there it is. It looks all nice now. It's louder. The pops are hella loud. I'm now shooting flames because I'm CATLESS. Pretty much straight piped. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.